What's up, YouTube? Are you as sick and tired as I am of constantly seeing courses in the Make Money Online niche that basically teach you how to make money online by teaching other people how to make money online? Doesn't that sound kind of weird? If so, I think you're going to love what I have to show you today. It's a brand new product called Social Traffic Revolution. Nothing to do with the Make Money Online niche, except for the fact that you are going to make money online anyway. Stay with me. It's coming right up after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products. In the Make Money Online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But seriously, look at the reviews for once in your life. Look at them. He complains every single day, that guy. Never bothers to look. I don't understand him. These fine people came to look at a review. Anyhow. The way it works here, by the way, is that if I like the product, I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of stuff involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing to me every day, and she is such a sweetheart for saying it. I love Liz Lemon. She's such a sweetheart. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this review of Social Traffic Revolution. We are on the sales page for Social Traffic Revolution, and he's showing you the results of some of the stuff that he's been doing with this program. Right now, it's going for $7.95. As I'm recording this video, if you get in right away, you might still catch it. Otherwise, it's going to go up to $17, and I think it's a dime sale actually. So either way, you want to get in. It's because the price is going to go up. But anyhow, yes, you can make actual money using this method. It's a real method, and the nice thing that I really like, it's not another course that teaches you how to make money online by teaching other people how to make money online. It's kind of a circular thing. This is basically specifically not about the Make Money Online niche. Obviously, I'm reviewing it because I am in that niche. Woe is me.
Woe is me.
Yeah, I know, right? Sorry. Anyway, but yeah, you can definitely make some real money with this thing. It's a really cool course and product. And I do want to tell you a little bit about my bonuses before we move on, because it's bonus time. Okay. Sorry, I'm thinking I have a little too much caffeine in me or something. Anyhow. So bonuses. Number one, I had my best day ever yesterday involving sales. I really crushed it. I used several techniques combined to really make like crazy numbers. I'm currently actually number one in the contest for this thing, for Social Traffic Revolution, before I even ever put a video together yet or set up something on my website. I'm already number one in the contest just from sending out a couple of emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you what I do, and you can use the same ideas that I'm going to teach you. You can use them when you are putting together your Social Traffic Revolution business. These are going to be powerful ideas that are really going to help you a lot. I am also going to be throwing in a couple of other things. Kenny's going to teach you the entire system and how it works, and he's going to suggest to you to use Facebook ads, which are great. But I'm also going to give you two courses. One is going to be about Google ads, and the other one is going to be about Twitter ads, both of which are really powerful as well, and gives you a broader variety of different ways of attracting more traffic to the stuff that Kenny's going to teach you how to do. And finally, my friend Shreya Banerjee, she is the partner of Paul Counts. I'm sure if you've been in this industry at any time, you've heard of probably both of them. She put together a course called Affiliate Marketing Ninja, I think. And it's an amazing course. It usually sells for $97. I was able to get a license to give it away to you as a bonus with this package. So it's like, this is going to be insane value to you that you're going to be getting from me. In addition to that, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you an Instagram shout out on my nearly 5,000 follower Instagram account. And if you pick up the entire funnel, then I'm also going to be giving you a really special bonus, which is basically going to be me custom writing your first email campaign, up to 5 emails. You get me to write them for you. All you got to do is let me know what it's going to be about. I will write the campaign for you. And I am somebody who is really good at writing emails. I did it for a living before I got into affiliate marketing. So you really want me to be doing it for you. Okay, so that's enough about bonuses, about money. Let's take a look at the actual members area and see whether or not this thing actually works. If I'm going to tip my hat to Kenny. Okay, so we're here in the members area for Social Traffic Revolution. No, not that kind of a revolution. This is just a revolution in how you make money, not that stuff. Anyway, so basically what he's going to do is like this. He's going to teach you how to first of all pick a niche, which is actually really important because he doesn't want you to go into the make money online niche. It's not because he doesn't want the competition. It's that this particular niche is really hard to get into. It is one of the most competitive niches that there is. And so a lot of people try to get in. Very few people actually make any money promoting in the make money online niche. I do happen to be doing quite well, but I am unusual in that respect. It's very hard to make money in this particular niche because it is so crowded. And so he's going to help you choose a different niche. He's also going to show you a method for giving something away. I'm not going to give away all the details of it, obviously, but he's going to show you how to give something away for free and make money off of it right away. And then, of course, he's going to take you through the Facebook ads, which I told you about earlier. And finally, he's going to show you doing email list management. From this day forward is his thing where he says, stop being a buyer and start actually using what you've learned. And this is from my buddy Saul. He's going to give you his masterclass on affiliate marketing as well. So overall, it's a really solid product, which is going to show you everything you need. You can also use ClickFunnels. He's going to give you a funnel, a ready-made funnel, that you can actually use in order to get started right away and start driving traffic to this thing. So it's a really good, solid product, I think. It has some decent stuff in there. The only thing I think I would have liked to see would have been a little bit more of kind of a done-for-you approach to things, like maybe some Facebook ads or something like that. But overall, pretty solid stuff. So let's take a look and see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creator. YouTube. Are you as sick and tired as I am of constantly seeing courses in the Make Money Online niche that basically teach you how to make money online by teaching other people how to make money online? Doesn't that sound kind of weird? If so, I think you're going to love what I have to show you today. It's a brand new product called Social Traffic Revolution. Nothing to do with the Make Money Online niche, except for the fact that you are going to make money online anyway. Stay with me. It's coming right up after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products. In the Make Money Online niche, basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. But seriously, look at the reviews for once in your life. Look at them. He complains every single day, that guy. Never bothers to look. I don't understand him. These fine people came to look at a review. Anyhow. The way it works here, by the way, is that if I like the product, I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of stuff involving entrepreneurship. Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing to me every day, and she is such a sweetheart for saying it. I love Liz Lemon. She's such a sweetheart. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this review of Social Traffic Revolution.